Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to improve your pirouettes by focusing on the front leg only. This is a series of 4 videos and today we have video number 1, and what I want you is to focus only how the front leg is going to action and work during that pirouette, okay? So we are going to begin hands on your hips only at first because we are going to establish that 4th position before we do pirouettes. Going to do tendu to the side. 4th position, that right leg to the back. Demi-plie with body weight over the center between both legs. Am I right? Every time we do 4th position plie, whether it's to continue to grand plie or whether it's to do pirouettes or not, the body weight is in between both legs. That's no question. Now, because we are going to transfer body weight over the front leg while we spin, we need to practice and we need to begin to enhance that transfer weight with dynamic, right? So what I want you to do is that 4th position with demi-plie, proud chest and upright position. Now, think on lifting the heel of the back leg. And look how immediately by doing that, you already transfer your body weight over the front leg. Now, don't take off the whole foot off the ground. It's just lift your heel a little bit. Now, I want you to focus to really transfer the body weight over the front of the supporting leg. However, also over the toes of that same supporting leg. Because by transferring over there, we are already almost on the way that we want to be for that demi-point with dynamic. That's it. Now that we established that position, 4th position, the body weight is in between both legs. Now if I lift the heel slightly off the ground, my body weight change forward as well. But it has to be minimal. We cannot really see that all the way forward, okay? Now, the exercise that I want you to do to improve that is arms on brava, 5th position, 5, 6, tendu, 4th position. One more time, brava and 5th position. We are going to do 5 together, 6, and same leg and same arm, 7, 8. Now that we are in that 8, remember to lift the heel, and we are just going to do passe, 5th position, and tendu, and go lift your heel, and you are going to focus on pushing those toes and push and down. And we're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, plie, and we are going to push and down. Okay, now I want you to take the time with the music to really lift that heel off and think for 1 count. Okay, I lift my heel. 7, 8, and push. The body weight is not meant to be on the back. Remember, it's meant to be over the supporting leg, and feel those toes with all the weight over the ball of the foot so that you can lift without problems, correct? The exercise continue. With music, we are going to do 6, 7, 8, and we are going to do 4 passe. After we finish the last passe, lifting your heel and over the front leg, we are going to do quarters of turns. The same, tendu, plie, and 1/4 of a turn, and close in front, and continue doing all that until we finish. And the last one, we are going to close on the back, and we are going to repeat everything to the left side. Now let's do it with music. Remember to focus the entire time on your body weight over the ball of the foot so you can lift up and down. Ready? 5th position, right leg in front, arms on brava. Take your time. We are not going to do it fast. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, plie, passe, and close, and stretch. One more time. 1, 2, 3, plie, passe. Awesome. Remember, down. Body weight, 1, 2, 3. Lift your heel and up. Last time. Fourth position, lift forward, up, plie. And turns, quarters of turns. And 1, tendu. Fourth position, lift forward. This doesn't take a lot of energy. 1, 2. There is not that much dynamic here. Just a little bit of a push. Awesome. Last one. Fourth position, plie, lift and stay forward and up. Plie. Awesome. Remember your body weight almost forward the whole time. Let's go. 6, 7, stay. 1, 2, 3, lift, up, and push. Awesome, my body weight stayed all the way back. Didn't do right. 1, and push forward. Awesome, that was better for me. What about you? 1, 2, coordination of arms and legs is very important. Up. Awesome, last time before doing the quarters of a turn. Lift them forward and push, up. Nice, let's get ready for those turns. And push up, awesome. And body weight and turn. Wow. Push up, arms, tendu. Fourth position, lift and change body weight and up. Nice. Last one, breathe. 1, 2, 3, plie, go up. So this is video 1 out of 4 videos. Next video we are going to focus on the back leg. And more ahead we're going to focus on arms coordination. And then we are going to focus, and I'm going to tell you because you have to look at that video so you can learn that tip. If you want to support my channel, the best way to do it is by sharing the video with your friends in your social media, by subscribing if you are new on my channel and giving a like. But most important, click the notification bell so the next time I upload my new video, you get a direct notification. I can't wait to see you on my next class.